Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. Today I'm making jerk chicken wings in the air fryer. There are so many ways to make jerk chicken wings. This is just one way, instead of in the oven or on the grill. This is a quick and easy recipe. I hope you make it. Now enjoy the video. I'm using large pack of chicken wings. Just make sure you wash that really well in lime juice, lemon juice, vinegar. Just make sure you clean it really well. I'm using my green seasoning. I've used this before in previous recipes. I'm going to go ahead and put the recipe again below so you can see what's in it. And this is just garlic with avocado oil. When you're making jerk chicken or any kind of jerk meat, fish, pork, just make sure you use really good seasoning and make sure you use spice and herbs, and because this is what's going to give it such a great flavor. I normally use Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, but of course I ran out today, so I have a backup. Grace. This one is just as good, but I always use the Walker's Wood. And you can use as much jerk seasoning as you want, depends on the portion you're making. It's really up to you. Scotch bonnet pepper. Go ahead and get regular Scotch bonnet pepper. This I'm using, I've got it soaked in avocado oil. You can leave it out if you don't like the spice, or just use half or take the seeds out. And mix that in really well. If you're making this recipe the same day, then just make this early in the morning so it can sit for a couple of hours, or just let it sit overnight in your fridge. And this is how it looked the next day. Just spray your air fryer really good. And I like to make this on low heat. I do mine on 330 for 35 to 38 minutes. Now you can do it on 400, 375 for 15 to 20 minutes, but I like to do it this way. It just works for me. And halfway through it, just make sure you turn it over. And let me show you how I make my dipping sauce. This should actually only take 10 minutes. Once you add everything in, you just want this to glaze down. And if you're making a large portion of chicken wings, then you can just double it, and just make sure you taste it, because you may want it sweeter, you may want to add a little more honey. And this is how I make my jerk chicken wings in the air fryer. I've got the sauce that can go with it. That's going to be lovely. I hope you make this. Enjoy the video.